With classic good looks that combine the perfect amount of American attitude with the perfect amount of European class, the Corvette ZR1 is deceptively sophisticated. With its race-bred chassis and 1G of lateral grip, it's exceptionally tempting. Paint technology has certainly come a long way since the days of mismatched Volkswagens and flat-luster muscle cars. And this Corvette's smooth composite body and showroom fresh finish are the products of an intensive 5-stage process that's executed start to finish at GM's Bowling Green assembly plant. The result is one spectacular showroom fresh package that's virtually flawless all the way from the car's functional scoops to its carbon fiber treatments and ZR1 badging. This is a top-notch supercar that was built from day one to run with the finest exotics on Earth. The leather-wrapped cockpit of the ZR1 is designed to be just as comfortable during a daily commute as it is on track day. Leather buckets boast ZR1 embroidery and feature heated and vented operation, as well as power-adjustable lumbar and side bolsters. Those buckets face a leather-wrapped dash that hosts ZR1 branded gauges with a 220 mph speedometer. Underneath the MP3 and XM-capable navigation unit is a thin console that props the manual shifter, and the driver takes control through a leather-wrapped steering wheel on a tilting and telescoping column. The C6 ZR1 relies on a proven Eaton supercharger that feeds a 6.2-liter LS9 V8 that is rated at 638 horsepower and 604 pound-feet of torque. That powerful engine sends power back to a Tremec 6-speed transaxle. With a platform that was setting the bar for supercar performance and aesthetics that are some of the best designs to come out of Bowling Green, the C6 ZR1 has forged its significance in Corvette history. For more information, call, click, or visit rkmotors.com.